My name is Rhea Miller. I was at a point where I felt like, I was going to the gym, trying to lose weight, trying to do my thing. I was going to the gym consistently, but couldn't lose any weight. So of course, got on Google, started looking up some things. But I had seen Kaelin on Facebook before that, and so I was like, I'm just gonna try this LadyBoss thing out for the 7 days. Jumped right in, did the free trial, and I was like, I need to become a lifer because this is amazing. And then the Facebook group, that's what I was like, I have to do this because the accountability that I had no friends in my hometown at the time. So I was like, I'm doing this alone. It's awful. No one even wants to work out or eat healthy. And it was nice to be like, oh, there's thousands of women doing this too. So that was cool.
Yeah, you're not alone.
Yeah, not alone at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, so cool.
That's so cool. So what's changed for you since you made that jump?
Well, I was I feel like a dark place, not seriously dark, but just I felt really alone. I would literally be at the gym crying, working out crying, I'm never gonna get to where I want to be. I'm alone. I just felt like I had nothing, no one to talk to, no one to ask advice to or anything like that. So that is a huge change, mentally and emotionally. Medically, before LadyBoss, I was high cholesterol, high sugar, and now everything is all of my numbers are in perfect range. And my doctor was like, I wish all of my patients were like this. Literally, my cholesterol, everything is great. So I'm like, that's a huge change. And then obviously physical, losing 20 pounds and then gaining muscle and confidence and all that has been a huge change too. So
yeah. Sounds like it's going all right for you.
Yeah.
That's so cool. What was your, or maybe you had more than one breakthrough moment? Big aha.
Here or in general?
In general.
I think one huge thing that I think it was when she released the chart on how to read nutrition labels, all this stuff that's marketed as healthy, or that in your mind you may think oh, I'm eating healthy, and then you start reading these labels and you're like, how am I eating this much sugar all the time? And I didn't know, for instance, those chewy granola bars, you feel like it's an okay choice, and then 20 grams of sugar in one bar, and for what? It's not fueling your body or doing anything for you. So I think that was a huge eye-opener for me, dang, I need to be fueling my body and not just eating what tastes good all the time. But fueling your body, that food's good too. So.
Sometimes you can eat what tastes good.
Yeah.
And a lot of times it's the same thing too. So.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. What do you say to someone that is still stuck, because there's a lot of ladies that are going to literally see you, and they're still stuck, they haven't made a choice or commitment, they don't know what's right or if LadyBoss is right or what the hell they should do? What do you say to someone in that place?
I say that don't do just what is popular, the fad diets. Don't do that stuff because they come and go. But learning how to eat a way to fuel your body by reading labels and workout or not, that is the main thing, 80% food. So if you want to drop weight, that to me is you need to be focusing on that and do that. And this will never go away. This will never change. So I just feel like that is literally they should do it. And that's why.
Just do it.
Yeah. Don't fall into the keto stuff. Yeah.
So what's been the most fun out of being a LadyBoss and going through this process?
Oh my gosh, meeting hundreds of women. I'm literally standing here. Well, last night we're all hanging out in one of our friends' rooms, and I'm like, I can't believe these faces that I've seen on the internet, these people that we challenge one another, encourage one another all the time, and now we're sitting here face to face, hanging out. How did I just build all these relationships out of a Facebook page and a community of people that all have the same common goal, is to be healthy? And that is incredible to me.